Hello and welcome. In this video, we will see how to install Java on Ubuntu 20.04 system. We will go very basic step-by-step process. So let's get started. First, we will check is Java already installed on our system. To do this, I will open my terminal and I will type command java dash dash version. It says command java not found. That means Java is not installed on our system. To install Java, I will first download the Java. To do this, I will open my browser. On Google, I will type download Java. Here we will go to that link, the Oracle one, not the Java one, because we are trying to install Oracle Java. So let's click on it. Here you can see many versions of Java are available. I will download that one, Java 11, because it is a long-term support version. So to download, let's click on JDK download. For this version, Java 11, there are many different packages for different operating system. Like these all are the Linux packages, and these are the Mac, and same as these are the Windows packages. We are using Ubuntu. Ubuntu support Debian packages. That's why I'm downloading that one. To download, just click on it. It will ask to accept a license agreement. Just click on it and then click on that button. To download Oracle Java, we need to log in into a Oracle account. If you already have a Oracle account, just sign in here. If you don't have a Oracle account, first create a Oracle account, then sign in, and then you can download. Once you sign in, the download will automatically start. As you can see, download has begun. Just save file. Our download has been completed. Let's open the folder. So our Debian file will look like this. To install, right click on it and open with other application, and then open with software install. Select. Just click on install. Just provide your root password. So our Java has been installed. Just close it. If we check Java now, it still says Java not found because we have to set environment variable for this. Let's do this. To set the environment variable, we will use command sudo nano. Nano is a text editor. If you not comfortable with nano, you can also use vim, but nano is by default installed with your ubuntu, so you don't have to install it. And then slash etc slash environment, enter. It will ask for my password. Here we have to set path for our Java installation. So let's copy the Java path. It should be in user, then live, then JVM. Let's find out JVM. It's here. And here is the JDK installed. Let's double click on it and go to bin and go to properties and copy that path till here. Copy. Here in the next line, we have to type Java all in capital underscore home equal mark inverted commas, and between that commas I have to paste the path that we have copied. Just paste it. We also have to edit this path variable. Just go to the end and here put a color mark and paste the path that we have copied and add slash bin and just save it. Put save, press Ctrl X, then Y to save changes and press enter. Now we have set the environment variable. Now we have to reload the file to apply the changes that we have made to that environment file. To do this, we will use source space slash etc slash environment. Now the environment file is reloaded. To see the Java home variable that we have set, we can use echo dollar and Java underscore home. This print the path that we have set on that environment file. Let's check Java version again. Java version. Here we go. It prints the Java version that we have installed, like Java 11.0.10 and runtime environment 18.9. If you are using a different version of Ubuntu like 18.04 or 16.04, the process will be same. There is no difference on other Ubuntu version. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. And if you face any problem, then you can ask me in the comment section. I will always happy to help you. Thanks.